Hello everyone, wanna know your Android phone's manufacturer date? Here's how to do that. So first of all, open up your settings, and after that you're to scroll down to your About Phone tab. Now we gotta scroll down and locate our IMEI or serial number. Both of those informations will work. So copy your IMEI, we will need it for later. Now open up your Google or any browser which you are using and let's search for IMEI check. Great, there we are. So I will be using IMEI.info website. There are many other websites which are workable as well. So let's enter our IMEI and let's press check IMEI. There we are. So now we can scroll down. Here's our serial number and more info. Here we can see when it was released, available color. You can tap on the full device specification. Let's look through the full specification. And basically that is it. Also, there is an application called Device Info in a Google Play Store. Let me show it to you as well. Open up your Play Store. Let's search for Device Info. There it is. Press install, open, and here you can find a lot of different good info which is gonna help your device, such as manufacturer, model name, systems, CPU, battery, network, connectivity, display, memory. So as you see, it's a very useful tool with a lot of different information and tests which may help your phone which will help your phone to function normally, which will help you to find any kind of malfunction. So I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.